Hey folks, given the rise of cases of individuals having to self-quarantine and the recommendation from news sources like Sky News for people to keep in touch over Skype, we thought it'd be wise to share a super easy to understand how-to for Skype, as not everyone will already have this application set up on their computers at home. So first up, what's Skype? Well, it's an app that allows the easy face-to-face communication with friends, family and business contacts using your computer or mobile device. It works on Apple Mac, Windows and Android and iOS. And you can even connect with lots of family members simultaneously, up to 50, so family gatherings can continue as we self-isolate. And that's the great thing about this service, it's completely free to use. So what do you need to use Skype? Well, first, a laptop with a microphone and webcam, and bear in mind that some laptop webcams are now located underneath the screen, or a tablet with a camera, normally at the top, or a phone will also work. Oh, and of course, for all of these, a working internet connection for a connection to the internet. How to install the Skype app. Open a browser and go to google.com or .co.uk and search for Skype. Click Download Skype. If you're using a Windows PC, click on the Get Skype for Windows button. If you're using Mac, then click on the drop-down arrow and select Mac before clicking Get Skype. Your browser will now download the app, and in most systems you can run the app by clicking the icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Click Install and wait for the install bar to reach 100%. The Skype app will now automatically open. So click Let's Go. Now click Sign In or Create. If you have an email address that's already registered, type it in here. If not, click Create One. You will now be asked for a phone number. Enter your mobile number. Once you've done this, you'll be asked to choose a password. As always, try to choose a password that you don't use on other websites, one that's longer than 8 characters, and one that's easy to remember, like a line from your favourite song. It will then ask you for your name, both first and last, and remember this is how contacts will see your details in the app. Now enter your region and your date of birth. Finally, Skype's going to send you a verification code to the mobile number provided. Enter the code that you receive on this screen and click Next. Skype will now ask you to upload a photo of yourself so that others can see you when they call you or look for you in the user directory. Try to choose something that's easily seen as being you. Skype is now going to test your microphone and your speakers. Click Test Audio and you should hear the default ringtone from Skype. When you speak, you should hear the microphone bubbles move up and down like a graphic equaliser. Click on the Make Free Test call to fully ensure everything is running well. You will now hear a nice lady from Skype asking you to speak after a tone. If you can hear your own voice, you've configured Skype correctly. Well done. Now click Continue and your computer will test the webcam. If it's all working, you'll see whatever the camera is pointed at, thumbs up and click Continue. Now your friends and family members are only a click away. Click Next and you'll be taken to the main app page. You can now start searching for friends and family members in the search bar at the top right of this screen. I hope this helps keep you in contact with your friends and your family members in this difficult time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more tutorials from us, hit subscribe. Cheers.